That's pretty good. It doesn't taste like Brussels sprouts, but it just tastes like lettuce. You know what? I think I might start using Brussels sprouts in place of the lettuce. It's pretty good. Alright, Miss Tiffany. Her channel is linked in my description box. Excuse me. It's always linked in my description box, so if you want to go check her channel out, go ahead and check her channel out. And I'm going to get back to my salad. Hey besties, tiny haul. Went to Marshall's because I had a gift card from my Fetch rewards. And if you are not a part of Fetch, I will put my code down here. You go over to Fetch, become my friend, let's get points together. This is a Hello Kitty monthly planner. It's 2025. It actually starts, I believe, in October. But it was in clearance for $8. I picked up this little cute bumblebee honey pot, so cute. This was $7.99. I picked up 2 things of spice jars. They were $8. There's 8 of them in here, and it says that there are labels, so we'll see. I picked up this bento box because your girl needs to start prepping her lunch the night before. It was only on $4. It was on clearance, so because you know, lunch is only 30 minutes and I gotta prep the food. I picked up this sink strainer. I found this. It actually will go in my sink and I could use it to actually stop it up, and then when the food goes, I don't have to worry about it going down the drain because it'll go in there. And I got a tier tray for next to the coffee maker. Husband was out with me and he picked up the Sully coffee mug here from Monsters Inc. It was on clearance. I think it was $8. And then he picked up Christmas ornament. He got Simba, Harry Potter, and Mickey Mouse. But that's all for the haul. And now I'm gonna put it away.
Everybody, there's a lot of